This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account, enter your password, and complete any two-step verification prompts. Once done, navigate to My Account. Google.com, then open Security and find the verification or recovery settings. Make sure you have any two-step device or alternate email available because Google will recheck ownership before allowing recovery number changes. If you're already logged in, proceed directly to the recovery phone section and prepare to remove the old number using the button labeled Edit or Trash. You now locate the phone or recovery phone entry and tap Edit or Remove. Google will require re-entering your password and often sends a verification code to your current 2SV method. Follow the prompts, enter the code, and choose Remove to delete the previous recovery number. Make sure to read any warning about losing account recovery options. If you plan to add a new number, do that immediately after removal so you don't reduce account security unintentionally. To finish, add a new recovery number or alternate email to keep your account recoverable. Enter it and verify the code sent to that device. Once done, review security settings and backup codes. If removal fails, make sure no recent suspicious activity placed a temporary hold or that another signed-in device didn't interrupt verification. When you're locked out or prompts persist, use Google's account recovery flow and provide accurate answers. That process helps restore full control so you can manage recovery numbers again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.